The Minute A380 Episode 7. The A380 has two cockpit sliding windows, one on the captain's side and another one on the first officer's side, which can be opened only from the inside. The primary use of these windows, besides refreshing up the cockpit when external bleed air is insufficient or when APU bleed is not on, is to be used as emergency exits for the flight crew. A small compartment above each lateral fixed window holds an escape rope that can be used to climb down the airplane. Let's see first how to operate the cockpit sliding window. To open the window, press and hold the unlock push button on the control handle until the red part of the unlock indicator is entirely visible. At this stage, the window is unlocked. Keep pressing the unlock push button and pull out the control handle to free the sliding from its frame. Then, while pressing the unlock push button, slide the window open and stop pressing the unlock push button to lock the window. At this stage, the window is locked in its open position, and this is confirmed by the green part entirely visible. On the door oxy page on the system display, an amber sliding window symbol will confirm the door is not locked. To close the window, press and hold the unlock push button on the control handle until the red part of the unlock indicator is entirely visible. Keep pressing and slide the window closed. When the window is in front of its fixed frame, push the control handle. The window moves into its frame and becomes locked in the closed position, confirmed by the green part of the unlock push button entirely visible and the red part no longer visible. On the door oxy page on the system display, a green sliding window symbol will confirm the door is locked on its closed position. Each window has 3 layers: the external layer, which is not a structural layer, and the 2 internal layers, which are structural layers. A heating film is installed in between the external and the internal layers, which can defog and de-ice the window as it is heated by 2 heat bars. It can also reveal any structural damage in case of a window crack. Basically, if the cracks are on the exterior side of the heat bars, the external layer is broken, but the structure is not affected. On the other hand, if the cracks are on the cockpit side of the heat bars, at least one structural layer is damaged. And now you may ask yourself a question. During a flight, in case of a window crack, what will pilots do? Well, the first thing will be to refer to the Flight Crew Operating Manual, FCOM, section Abnormal Procedure, subsection Cockpit Windows Cracked. And here a question for you. What does this procedure say? Thank you very much for flying with me. See you soon. Cheers.